Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K. Today I have another paper craft project to share with you guys, and it is an altered composition notebook that I decorated using paper from my stash. And the paper that I used to decorate my notebook is the Prima Love Story. I did pick this up at Hobby Lobby, and I am pretty close to being done using this whole paper pad. I have four full sheets and then some scraps left is all. And so here is the notebook that I decorated. I did go ahead and do a couple layers on the background. I did start off with some pink cardstock first before I did my layering. And then I also painted my spine with gesso on it just so you wouldn't see the black part showing through. I did layer a piece of lace around the spine and then this pretty floral trim around the spine. On the insides, I did put a sheet of paper. I like to cover my insides and make them look pretty. And so I did use some of the paper collection to do that. And then again, here is the cover. So you can kind of see the little bit of lace that came over on the spine. And then this pink trim. A couple pieces, or 3 pieces of the paper collection are layered on here, or actually 4, because I had the little image that also came from the paper collection. And I did distress my edges a little bit, so they are kind of shabby. I went ahead and added a sentiment. It is a little chipboard piece that says memories, and I went ahead and added glossy accents over that. And then the main center of my little notebook that I decorated, I did use this frame, which I picked up at the thrift store. I think it was $1. And I just took out the glass behind it. It was already white, so that made it really easy. And I just put one of the images from the Love Story paper collection in there. And it said those sweet little kids looking at a little bird cage, which I thought was really cute. And then I went ahead and did some flower clusters along the sides of my frame. There's a lot of different flowers. And the flowers came from, a couple of them came from Craft Supplies for You, some of them came from Wild Orchid Crafts, and then a couple of them, this big one right here was one that I got in Happy Mail, so I'm not quite sure who gave me that one, but the rest are Wild Orchid Crafts or Craft Supply for You flowers. And then I went ahead and added these little acrylic pieces also on the side. And at the very bottom, I have 2 layers of lace. I have this little heart lace that comes from Hobby Lobby on the bottom. And then I went ahead and added this layer on top with the little flowers. And I received this in some Happy Mail in a swap I did maybe a year or so ago. And I can't remember her name was Heather. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel, but her name was Heather. And so that is my little altered notebook that I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you like it. And this is going out to someone in a swap that I am participating in. So thanks again, everybody, so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting.